In my previous video, I demonstrated how you can do a drop-down list in Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you why Google Sheet drop-down list is much better than Excel. To start off with, let's add a drop-down on this cell B2 here. Select the cell, go Data, Data Validation. On the far right-hand side, you have a Data Validation Rule window that pops up here. Click on Add Rules. In the criteria, you're going to pull down here and select Drop-down from Range. And then click on this icon here. This pop-up should appear. Click on this text box and now select the elements that you want to include on your drop down list. One thing I'm going to do over here is that instead of D7, we're going to remove the 7 from the D here. So what essentially this means is that any item below cell D3 and below will be included. And click OK. So this essentially allows you to do auto expansion. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Click on Done and let's close this window here. And let's say, for example, have a look at this guy here. You have all the items in here, and if you go ahead and add Apple in here, you can see on your drop down Apple appears as well. The beauty of Google Sheet drop down is that, let's say if you have duplicate entries here like this, you can see that it only appears once, so it resolves into unique and show you only one of each item. Let me show you as a test. I'm just going to put a fig here and put Apple like this. You can see there's only one Apple and the fig appears, so it prevents duplicate. Another capability that the drop down on Google Sheet have is that, let's say for example, if you remove a bunch of items from your list here, and if you go to your drop down, you can see that the item that was removed are not in the list. Hence, you don't have a blank spaces or white spaces as well. Let me know in the comment sections, are these features in Google Sheet a game changer for you and your organization?